Hi everyone, and welcome to your first video dance lesson on Cumbia. My name is Deva, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you Cumbia Basic number 1, Cumbia Colombiana. Cumbia is a popular dance and music style that originated in the country of Colombia. And it's danced in a 4-count rhythm that sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, try it with me. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Let's get started. We're going to bring our feet together, and then we're going to make sure that our knees have a gentle bend. So you don't want them to be completely straight. You want to make sure that they're nice and soft, okay? Now we're going to open up to the left side by just taking a step out. I'm going to be your mirror. Ready? And step open to the side. Then we're going to close our feet, and we're going to do that again. Step open to the side, and then we're going to tap. Okay, let's come back and try that again. Ready? And 1 and 2, 3, 4. One more time, okay? Ready? And step, feet together, step and tap. Very good. Now we're going to try the same thing, but let's go to the other side, okay? Ready? And step, feet together, step and tap. Let's do that again. Ready? And step, feet together, step and tap. Good job. Come back. We're going to try that again. First, we're going to go to the left, and then we're going to go to the right. Now remember that gentle bend in the knees I was telling you about? Let's pay really close attention this time to our knees as we do the step. So we're going to just start here by bouncing the knees, nice and soft. You got it. Really, really good. Here we go, to the side and step, feet together, step and tap. Again, to the other side, feet together, step and tap. Awesome! Let's come back to the center and do that again. Let's go one way and then the other way. Ready? And step, feet together, step and tap. 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 Great job, everybody. Let's try that again with the music. All right, so here's the song that we're going to be dancing to. Let's just listen to it at first and count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bounce those knees. We're going to go to the side. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Keep going. You got it! Keep going! And hold! Great job, everybody! You did it! You just learned Cumbia Basic number 1, Cumbia Colombiana. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye!